Quick warning, this is Joshua from the end of the video. There's not going to be any stick overlay in this video because the flight controller that I'm using doesn't have black box built in. Sorry about that, guys, but hope you enjoy it anyway. One advantage of flying with the DJI digital system is you always know if your high definition camera has a foggy lens, because your high definition camera is your FPV camera. Well, at least that's true today. I'm Joshua Bardwell. This is my 3 packs a day challenge, where I try to find out if I can get better at freestyle. Could I get better than I already am? Yes, there's a lot of room for improvement. And could I get better at freestyle by flying just 3 packs every day, almost every day? I haven't missed a day as far as you know. And my theory is that consistent practice, even small amounts, can make you better. And I think now that we're up to like day 12 of this challenge, I think you can see the difference between my previous freestyle on my channel and day 1 of this challenge and today. I dare say I'm getting better. So let's keep it up. Today I'm flying a little bit of a different quad, as you can tell from the fact that I've been flying the analog Stingy V2 up till now. I finally cracked the main plate on that. I got a new one in the mail, but it hasn't come. So today we're flying the Rotorite HD1. And you know what, let's get in the air, and then I'll tell you more. Well, people ask me, which do you like to fly better, DJI or analog? And that's a tough question because DJI is amazing. I mean, like, how could you not love this image, right? The DJI system isn't perfect. Oh, my rates are not, I think my rates may be a little different on this one. The DJI system isn't perfect, but it makes up in amazing image quality a lot of what it leaves behind in other things, like the OSD doesn't work quite right, quite as good as it could. So I fly about 50-50, I would say. Just in this case, I picked this one because I broke my other quad and I just looked at the wall and I said, what's flying right now? What isn't broken? And I hate to tell you this, but a shocking amount of my decision making comes down to which quad is not broken today. So what are we going to work on today? I hope we can keep up with my let's not fly the same lines all the time. All the time. I've been working on little juicy moves like that. That was kind of cool. But I don't want to show you guys 30 days of me doing the exact same thing. So let's see what we could come up with. Definitely need to keep that whole left turn BS to a minimum. What are we going to do today? I don't know. Mostly it's just a gorgeous day and I kind of just want to fly before the sun goes down. You know what I really like? When guys like Vanover and Drib come over and they can just hold these beautiful arcs over the trees. I wish I had more up tilt. It would be good. They can hold these beautiful arcs over the trees. One of them, the things I think I could be better at, let's do a smaller arc, is making see that those mid-turn adjustments? Like the best line is if you can lock it in and hold it until the last minute. It's so good. As opposed to making little adjustments halfway through. Maybe that's what we should work on is, see, it's great up until that moment when you break and you have to correct. See what I mean? Oh, I'm at 14.1 volts. That's not good. That can't be right. It's good right up until that moment where you have to break. So, like, if I do this, I want to hold that and make the smallest change I can. As opposed to kind of doing like that. I think that's not as good. I don't know. It could depend. I do like a good split S where you're upside down for some of it. Oh, reach for it, son. Ooh, that was exciting. When you're upside down, you're like, drop throttle and pray! Oh, I gotta bring it in. It says 13.8. It doesn't seem like, I guess I'm at 3 minutes 45. Used to fly in that Tyro 119 with its 6-minute flight time. It's all about what you're used to, isn't it? Can I land on this? There we go. Ready? I'm so proud of myself. I gotta tell you guys, I kind of just want to fly. Let's work on the put your quad in a tree exercise. Let's work on floating over the trees inverted. So in other words, not like this move. That's a cool move, don't get me wrong. But you're not inverted, you're kind of just arcing sideways. Let's try and actually float inverted. And the thing is, you gotta have faith. You gotta have faith that you're gonna get out of it, don't you? You have enough momentum to carry you over, because you can't see. You can't see your exit at the moment that you flip. That was a little bit of a cheat, although I kind of liked it. I didn't quite go all the way. See, that's kind of like a spiral, but I'm not spending a lot of time inverted. See, I wasn't going to make that one. I don't think I was. The best ones are the ones that you just barely make, aren't they? Oof, that's good. I mean, as you do more of them, you will get comfortable and get better. Oh dear. Oh, there's a cool line there, isn't there? Isn't there? I'm not sure. Where is it? Is it? So in case you're missing it, in case you're like are brand new here, the way to bail out of a move like this is just to either pitch back or roll over so that you're flying again. So if you are doing one of these moves and you realize you're coming up short, just pitch back and now you're fine. Or roll the rest of the way over and fly out of it. And if you're, oh, power lines. And if you're good, like I see pro pilots do this all the time. They'll go to set up a move, they'll go inverted, and then they'll be like, nah, I wanted to go this way. And they'll flick out of it. And I'm like, you were trying to split us over that, or you were shooting for that gap and you missed it. I'm like, I know your secret. The other thing I'm going to try and do is get out of this clean. In other words, as I fall, not just like go, okay, but try to get out of it with a nice clean line. Ooh, I like that little gap though. I can't, can I shoot it inverted? I don't know about that. How do you get in it here? No, that's not the, where is the entry point? So like, just look at the topology of the tree here. Where is the entry point? Am I coming over this little peak here? Am I coming over this peak to find that? That's the little gap right there that I want to hit. Interesting. Let's see. Or am I coming at it from like over here? Ooh, but I want to be inverted. I need more fling. Ooh, I'm going to put myself in that tree in a minute. I can feel it. Oh, yeah, I can't quite hit that. I can't quite find that line again. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, that was nice. I felt like that was pretty nice. See, that was just cheating. I just messed that up. All right, 13.7 volts, 4 minutes, 30 seconds. I think we're done with this one. When you're doing punches like that, you can cheat because every time you drop the throttle, the battery bounces back. See, we can get a little help there. I'm just gonna do that same thing again. I really do like it. Where else can we do? The one that I really would like to get, the problem is there's no exit. I would really like to invert through here. But the problem is that once you're inverted that long, like how are you going to get out of it before you hit the ground? Because the gap is so close to the ground. You would just be here inverted, and I just don't see any way to fly out of it. Like if I was Vanover, maybe I could do some crazy full throttle race line where you pitch back here, invert, and then like pitch back out here. I just don't see myself pulling that off. Nope. Well, oof, that was the power line. That was the power line. Is the power out? That was the power line. Damn. Well, I guess we'll know in a minute. See, this kind of line is cool, except I was making mid-course corrections, but like, it's just like an arc. You're always kind of flying and in control, whereas that requires just this commitment to your fling. See, that was all up. That was no forward. These were some of the first tricks I learned, honestly. When in doubt, roll out just a little bit. See, now the juicy flick is a real good way, or juicy reverse maybe, is a real good way to cheat out of that. So if you come here, I'm not actually great at getting clean reverses, but if you come up and you are about to fall into the tree, you just reverse out like that. It's a great little trick. And again, you see pilots, Vanover does this. And Vanover is such a good pilot that I would never accuse him of screwing up and faking a recovery. But I do see him do this a lot, where he'll kind of come up to a tree and like that, kind of reverse out of it. And I wonder if he set that up or whether that was a mistake that he's covering up. If he's covering it up, it's a beautiful way to cover it up. Oh, see, the earlier I flip over, the better it looks, but also the more risk there is. See, if you flip over here-ish, there's no risk because you're practically already past the apex. You've got nowhere to go but out and down. So, but if you flip there early, that's, you got to trust that you have the momentum to carry you through. Obviously, the better you know the place, the easier it is. Hello, tree. These pine trees are scragglicious. Scragglicious. But I can see every branch thanks to my DJI goggles. Times when you want to make sure you don't crash because you're being a silly doofus. Maybe next time I'll practice reversals like that. It's hard to get the reverse like really clean. So it really looks like you've just reversed. Oh gosh, 13.5 volts, 4 minutes, 47 seconds of flight. I'm knocking these batteries to death. But yeah, 5 minutes on a fucking 1500 isn't bad. Damn it. Oh, 12.7, 12.9. Come on back up, baby. 13.0. Well, I almost killed that one. So I'm having so much fun talking to you guys. I'm just killing packs. That's it. That's it. That's literally all the packs I'm going to fly today. But I'll tell you what, I was going to fly 0 packs today, and now at least I got a little stick time in, and I think it does matter. I had a good time. I'd love to fly some more. Sun's going down. I'm out of packs. I'm out of time. Put my kid to bed. You know, get those packs in, even just a couple packs a day. If you can do more, that's even better. Would I improve more if I was doing more packs? Absolutely. But I'm still doing, I'm just practicing with intent, at least a little bit every day. And I think it really matters. I'm pushing myself to do things that I'm not doing. And I've been so excited. I did not start this challenge with the idea that other people would follow along, but people are commenting and saying, I started doing the 3 packs a day challenge. I mean, if you're doing 3 packs, or if you're doing 5 packs, or you're doing 20 packs, whatever you can do semi-regularly, I think it really does matter. And, you know, any stick time is fun time too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Playlist in the video description. And if you want to build a quad like build this quad, you can. I got a build series for this exact quad. Keep watching. Keep enjoying. I'm going to keep flying. Happy flying to you.